He just grabbed everything he could.
It's going to automatically pop out.
He is so freaky.
Hey.
No way the cat jumped that high.
Hi.
The way he gave up.
Bro, what the hell are you doing?
Go ahead.
The way he folded.
Alright, come on. Need a kick. No. You need to kick hard. Hard kick. Weak. I need you to kick as hard as you can.
There it comes. Oh, my thing ran out. Oh,
He's back.
Wins.
Oh, he says what's wrong with him.
There he is.
He even fell.
Izzy, are you stuck?
Proof animals can speak.
Are you stuck?
Fine, well, your fault. Hey, bro, what you talking about? Bro. What's up, man? Hey, bro, what's going on?
The way he just left.
Hey.
That face.
Yes, Muddy. Yes. Okay.
Get to class.
Okay, sorry. So sorry.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay, fingers in. Okay, seatbelt comes off. There we go. Loop in. Okay, now with my other hand, I'm going to kick the seat back and I'm going to open the seat. I'm going to open the door, okay? 3, 2, 1. All the way down. I'm out and I can escape freely, okay?
Two fingers. Seat down.
That was so awkward.
Oh shit, that's the first monkey off a perk. How did that work? Getting money like a clerk. Got up!
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Spilling my drink while my dad is mopping.
You motherfucker!
He got splashed.
Bro! What the fuck?
You want food?
It is better to poop in the sink than to sink in the pool.
That was synchronized.
Oh no!
Lampshade.
Hey, yo.
No way he talked.
There's no way this fat-ass monkey be climbing trees.
He is literally a walking meme.
I think I see a raccoon. Or a person. A raccoon! Are you a raccoon? Or a person? Hello!
He's a shapeshifter.
If I meet these joke, I'm low-key. If I meet these joke, I'm gay as hell. I'm gay as hell if I meet these joke.
Watch out!
Strike!
Damn, Jenna! Damn, Jenna! Come on back this way. That truck's gonna get. Don't jump! No! No!
That damn sign.
What the fuck?
Now the video ends right there. What happened when she came back? Am I wrong in assuming she smacked the rock and died on impact? Where is this swing going to where she doesn't die? Maybe under the waterfall? It's kind of a risky swing though, don't you think?
또 한번 써볼까? 응?
No way a deer infiltrated.
You guys, look at this little thing.
The baby's possessed.
Excuse me, what the actual fuck?
Tutorial how to backrooms.
He's just him.
Cam, I'm going to straight, bro.
So relatable.
Yo, dude. What's it called today, man?
If her booty do not bounce, the end of the relationship you shall announce.
Oh, shit. Kill everyone in your family. Stab them. Stab them.
Pelan-pelan kan?
Oh my god. Oh my god, he's cheating on you, bro.
Bro, you gotta see this. You gotta see this.